Temporarily deactivating your Instagram account could be necessary to take a break from social media, regain focus on real-life activities, maintain privacy, reduce online stress, or address personal issues without permanent account deletion. But how would you do it? Well, in this video, we will show you. However, we'll provide you with a comprehensive walkthrough to ensure you find the deactivation button, regardless of its location. Let's get started. First things first, launch the Instagram app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, locate and tap on the profile icon situated at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on these lines to open a menu. From the menu that appears, locate and select Settings and Privacy, positioned at the top. Instagram occasionally shifts the position of the deactivation button, but don't worry, there's a nifty workaround. At the top of the screen, there's a search button. Give it a tap. Enter the keyword deactivation in the search bar and press return. You'll find an option labeled deactivation or deletion. Tap on it, and this will directly take you to the deactivation or deletion page, regardless of where Instagram has placed it. Here, you can see the name of your profile. Tap on the profile name to initiate the process. On the next screen, you'll be presented with a choice between Deactivate Account and Delete Account. The option you select here doesn't matter because you'll see that the by default selected option is Deactivate Account. So simply tap Continue. Then you'll notice a crucial option where it will say, for your security, please re-enter your password to continue. So you need to put your account's password here and press Continue. On the next screen, the app will ask you to select the reason you are deactivating your account from a multiple choice list. Just choose one reason and hit the Continue button, which will take you to the final confirmation page. Tap Deactivate Account. This action will temporarily deactivate your account. When the time comes to reactivate your account, just log into the Instagram app and your account will automatically reactivate. All your content, posts, and stories will be right where you left them. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for more helpful content like this.